Hi guys, thank you for joining our podcast tonight. We will be talking diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is specific. Our goal is to educate people, specifically Pacific Islanders, that diabetes can be dealt by simply making some lifestyle change. I want to reach out to the Pacific Islanders. Being a Pacific Islander myself, I see that we become used to seeing our loved one go through the symptoms of diabetes. Some of us can recognize the symptoms so easily because it has become common to see loved one experience these symptoms like blurry vision, constant drinking water, that kind of thirst that can seem to be quenched. Some of us see our loved one always feeling tired and always using restroom, or for some of us ourselves can be experiencing this some of symptoms too. Though it is common, we shouldn't limit ourselves and settle thinking that it runs our blood. Though it is common to see loved ones experience these symptoms, don't mean that it ends there. We can make changes in our lives that will lead us to the grave fast like some of our loved ones. Simply changing our diet and including experiencing in our daily schedule can improve lives